Country of origin, United States. Model number, 1200R9067. Item package dimension, 9.799999990004 LX 7.699999992146 by 2.699999997246H. Item package weight, 3.1512876169751 pounds. 18. 2-wire battery cable. This product adds a great value. Product is highly durable and very easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. Top reviews from the United States. Quality item, rebuild kit for Fill-Rite fuel pumps. I lucked out as I found this rebuild kit at Amazon warehouse, and although I have had issues, many with their warehouse, I took a chance and I got lucky. The kit was of great quality and nothing missing or wrong with it for half the price of a normally priced one. Thank you Amazon for that. If you need this kit, it comes in a manufacturer's box even.